Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fill Form 5472. First, you need to determine if your corporation is a reporting corporation, which generally means it's a one-person corporation with foreign ownership. Next, identify all transactions with related parties that must be reported. This includes sales, purchases, rents, and royalties. Finally, gather all the necessary financial and ownership information before you begin filling out the form. Now, let's dive into the form's key sections. Start by accurately completing Part I with your reporting corporation's identifying information, including its name, address, and employer identification number. Then, move to Part IV and Part V, where you'll detail all reportable transactions with foreign-related parties. It's crucial to ensure all monetary amounts, like sales or purchases, are precisely reported to avoid discrepancies. To avoid common pitfalls, remember to always attach Form 5472 to your income tax return, typically Form 1120, by its due date. Double-check that all foreign ownership percentages are accurately calculated and reported. Inaccurate percentages can lead to issues. Furthermore, it's vital to maintain comprehensive records supporting all information reported on Form 5472 for a minimum of 3 years. This documentation is crucial if the IRS has questions. Finally, ensure you file Form 5472 by the due date of your income tax return, including extensions. Failure to file or filing an incomplete or incorrect form can result in a significant penalty of $25,000 per form. This penalty can increase if the failure continues after notification. So, accuracy and timeliness are paramount. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed while tackling your taxes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.